Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. Me personally, I am having a great day. I'm excited. I have an unboxing for you guys here from Hibbett Sports, but today, before I even get the video started, I have some very big announcements to make. So me and Hibbett Sports has decided to come together to do a giveaway for you guys. I told y'all I needed more giveaways. You know, I needed to give back a little bit more. So thanks to Hibbett Sports, guys, we have linked up to be able to give you a gift card for 250 of them things. So it's super easy to enter the giveaway. I'm not gonna make it extra hard and have you going through hundreds of hoops. The only thing I need you to do is, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also follow me and follow Hibbett Sports over on Instagram. And once you complete those 3 steps, I need you to comment Snipe Squad and my latest pick, which is located right here. Once you do those steps, I will then find a winner. I will look at those, and please have your pages not private because I have to see if you follow me, okay? So when I go down the comments and I see people, you know, say Snipe Squad and I pick my winner, I usually go to your profile, I check and see who you're following and make sure you're following me. So the last few times I have been doing giveaways, if you're private, I'm sorry, I can't see you following me, so it makes it harder for me to be able to do that. So if you guys can be unprivate for me and make it a lot easier, like I said, I just have to make sure you're following Hibbett, you gotta be following me, and you have to be subscribed to the channel. I will be checking for all 3 of those, so don't try to finagle your way around. But I'm super excited, guys. With that $250 to Hibbett Sports, you're able to get so much more. Like the sneakers, I mean, that's one thing, but still, Hibbett Sports also sells clothing. They linked up with City Gear, so you're able to buy some clothes as well. They also sell equipment. It's a lot of stuff inside of Hibbett Sports other than sneakers. So it's a lot, man. Like 250, I mean, it's a lot. So, man, if you're excited about that, make sure you smash the like button. Like I said, a lot more giveaways are coming, but listen, the road to 100K is near, and I'm like, yo, look, bro, we hit 50K. Hibbett was great enough to actually, you know, be with me on this giveaway, so make sure y'all show them some love as well. Okay, now that that's out the way, guys, I have a huge unboxing here. One of the biggest Air Jordans to release 2020. As you guys know, 2020 has not been the best year starting off. I mean, it's been tragedy after tragedy. Just now we're in a whole entire epidemic. I mean, look at my hair right now. I haven't had a haircut in a while. Finding a barber is harder than finding retro 11s at a Nike sneaker outlet, bro. It's extremely hard these days, and I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I'm going through it. Comment the weirdest thing you've seen since this pandemic. As you guys know, the huge Hibbett Sports box, as always. As I said, they sent this over, and since you already seen the title, you probably already know what these shoes are. And as I said earlier, it is the most anticipated Air Jordan so far of 2020, because not a lot of great stuff has been coming out, and more importantly, everything has been pushed back. So if you guys aren't aware, that this shoe was actually supposed to release April 3rd, but due to everything that's going on, the pandemic that's happening right now, it was actually pushed back to April 11th. So check out your calendar dates. That is the set date. Hopefully they don't push them back again, but I highly doubt that they do. You know what I'm saying? I highly doubt that they do. Regardless, I'm super happy to have my pair because, as you know, I have the original. This is the original Court Purple that released last year, 2 years ago, something like that. And I will be doing like a small compare and contrast when it comes to the Court Purple 2.0 that we have in the box. So, I mean, I did enough talking, and now it's time for all of our favorite parts, which is going inside the box and bringing out the sneaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, and let's get straight to it. Jordan 1s, man. Can you really go wrong with the Jordan 1, guys? I really think that at first it was kind of up for grabs what people's favorite silhouette was, but now it's really no question that I think majority of people's favorite silhouette is the Air Jordan 1. Super clean, super easy to rock. It's the most diverse. You can really wear it for anything, anytime. You know what I'm saying? And all the resellers love it because they got that crazy resale value, because they only retail for the $170 price point, which keeps creeping up to that $200. I'm not ready to be paying $200 for no Air Jordan 1s, bro, but it's getting there. Right, as you guys see, we have the original regular degular Nike Air Jordan 1 box. Nothing spectacular when it comes to the box, and of course, it is in my size, that amazing size 12. You know what I'm saying? Big foot gang. What y'all want me to do? I'm super excited to open these up because I've heard a lot of things when it comes to the shoe. I'm not gonna hold you. One thing in particular I will be looking at is the leather quality, because I really like the leather quality from the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple, the original, okay? So when it comes to the 2.0, I'm not expecting no crazy, soft, buttery type, you know, I'm not expecting nothing crazy, but I gotta be honest, I am expecting some type of consistency because they set the bar with this one, right? So in order to set the bar, the next shoe got to be just as good or better. Even if it's not better, allow it to be just as good. So let's peel this back and let's see what we got. And also, this is my first time seeing these up close in person as well. Thank you, Hibbett, so much. I appreciate it. And I'm closing my eyes and I'm grabbing them out and bow. Let me see what they look like. Woo! They look clean. They look very, very, very clean, actually. And they got the purple spare laces. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other one, too, and look at them. These look clean. Okay, so all my Baltimore Ravens fans out there, you definitely got yourself an Air Jordan 1. My Lamar Jackson fans out there, you definitely have you a Air Jordan 1, no question. So let me get my full look on real quick before I pass judgment. Let me see. Leather quality. Okay, we're gonna go straight towards the leather quality. I'm gonna put this one up here. So the leather quality, in my opinion, is not bad. You know, this shoe kind of it kind of reminds me of, where is my Air Jordan 1s? Okay, cool. This shoe kind of reminds me exactly of the Air Jordan 1 Game Royal. Okay, it's completely, you know, a white, blue, and black dominated sneaker, and it kind of reminds me exactly of this sneaker, right? It's white, black, and the blue just replaces the purple. It's really, in a sense, it's really the same shoe. One is just blue and one is just purple. Another thing that I noticed is the material is the same. It's really like the same sneaker. The material is kind of the same when it comes to the Game Royal Air Jordan 1. And that's not bad, because I like the Air Jordan Game Royal. I still have them, you know, and I wear them a lot. You know, I like the color blocking. It's not really normal to find the Air Jordan 1 white and blue, especially white and purple, right? So I think that's why a lot of people kind of gravitate towards the Air Jordan 1 Core Purple, whether it be the original or the 2.0, just because how many purple Air Jordan 1s do we have? Anytime we get something outside of the original Bulls colorway, we normally gravitate towards it because it's only so many ways you can do a red, black, and white, okay? They did the reverse high 85s, and they gave us the bread toes. Of course, they got the bread, they did Spider-Man. It's so many Air Jordan 1s with the regular traditional Bulls colorway. Whenever they give us something new, or even the shattered backboards like white, black, and orange, whenever they give us something different, I feel like we kind of attack that because we kind of tired of getting pushed with the same thing. So I'm going to grab this Air Jordan 1 Core Purple Original and kind of just do a small comparison to the 2.0 and give an honest opinion. I really do like this Core Purple 2.0 a little bit better when it comes to color blocking, because even though I like the black, I just think this white and purple is just a lot more cleaner, okay? Y'all see how clean this shoe is. I mean, it's very simple, and sometimes simplistic wins. When you look at the black on the toe and a little bit up on higher on the silhouette of the shoe, it just causes a little bit more confusion, other than, you know, all purple base with a black Nike swoosh, and then you get the black upper. So when it comes to color blocking, 100%, I'm gonna go with the 2.0. Now, when it comes to material, I think we all know, if you see on the forefront of the sneaker, when you check it, right, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit more tumbled on the, like right there by the Nike swoosh, it's more tumbled. And I think the toe box is a little bit more tumbled as well. Now, one thing that the Core Purple has going for it, the toe boxes are the same, okay? So the toe boxes are the same. The only difference in leather quality would probably be like the back heel and the side panel, pretty much. I mean, the toe boxes are pretty much the same. So I would say, yeah, I would say quality goes to the original and looks definitely goes to the 2.0. I like this cleaner. I think this is a better overall look, but I want to know your guys' opinion. Which shoe is actually better? Do you think the 2.0 is better, or do you think the Air Jordan 1 Core Purple OG is better? I will be reading all your comments down below because I'm kind of, it's up in the air. I can see people going both. You know what I'm saying? Overall, what I'm gonna say overall? Overall, man, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna leave that for y'all because it is tough for me because I really like both. I really like both, and I'm leaning towards the 2.0 just because it's a more cleaner look, but the material has it here, right? So I'm torn in between the two. I might just say the 2.0 just because, you know, I'm liking this just a tad bit more, just a tad bit. Once again, guys, if you want to be a part of the Hibbett Sports giveaway, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow Hibbett Sports on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Most importantly, keep your pages unprivate, guys. I cannot stress that enough. I would hate to pull one of y'all names and your page is private, then I can't check your credentials and making sure that you following the rules. So do that. And last but not least, comment Snipe Squad under this photo and you will be you know, DM, man. So make sure you guys are looking out for the DMs. I'm gonna give it a few days to let people, you know, come around to it, and I will pick the winner. You know, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.